Just
cabinet
cabinet वर
There was nothing actually much in the cabinet. It was just, I think, that pink festival. Purple festival. Sorry. The purple festival, and no much decisions were taken.
Purple festival, what decision was taken? What extra was discussed?
No, it is just as far as the expenditure sanction was taken.
How much expenditure?
Something around 17 crore rupees or something.
Sir, तुम्हाला now speaker मिळाला. So you are saying about his experience.
See, I congratulate Dr. Ganesh Gaonkar for being elected as a speaker. He has got basically a vast experience in different fields, basically. Now, today, so many members basically, while congratulating him spoke about his achievements and his vast experience in different fields. It will definitely help. I wish him all the best.
सर तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशन किंवा तुमच्या नेबरिंग कॉन्स्टिट्युशन क्राईम सध्या वाढतात आणि मोठे मोठे क्राईम जातात. सो तुमचे पोलिसांकडे उलयला कितें सर कितें?
पण क्राईम वाढला म्हणजे कितें जालें? First of all, I would like to say who has been attacked was not from my conscience. Was not from that conscience. Who were the attackers were not from this. Now, can you go into someone's mind basically if police could go into everyone's mind to say that, okay, this fellow is going to create a crime, then there would have been no crime at all. So you can also not basically blame a constituency or the same. But I am going to say police are looking into the matter. Honorable Chief Minister has given basically all the direction. But things have been taken care of.
Because it is capital city and more of economical things are happening in Panjim. So it is more vigil रावप गरजेचे आशिल्लें सर.
But vigil law गरजेचे आसलेले, police are doing their job. That's what I'm trying to say. No, you cannot go into someone's mind. Otherwise, there would have not been a crime at all. So we should not blame the police also. Police will do the job. It is more, the important thing is what when after the crime is basically created, is been done. It is how swiftly the police has acted, and police have acted swiftly.
वंश तू त्या या हल्ल्याचा निषेध करता काय?
See, I condemn all attacks done on everyone. And as far as Mr. Ramakant is concerned, I personally know. In fact, I even send him a message saying get well. And I send him a message of saying that I am sorry for what has happened. It is really bad. See, this as far as the violence and all, this doesn't come in this democratic setup. So everyone has basically has a right to express his opinion. So it is what you also have got a right. I also have got a right. Whatever I have said, you may feel bad what I may have said, but that doesn't mean to say you can come and attack me or you got to attack someone. This is totally unacceptable.
अरेस्ट केल्या तितूनचे कितलेशे राजकारण्याकडून त्यांचे संबंध असे म्हणून ऐकून येतात.
सी आय हॅव निश्चित कोणाच्या बारेन फोटो काढले म्हणजे इट डजंट मीन टू से पहिले तू माझ्या बारेन फोटो काढतो टुमॉरो यू आर से दिस थिंग विथ सम क्राइम. आय एम जस्ट गिविंग एक्झाम्पल. इट डजंट मीन टू से अरे यू हॅव टेकन फॉर सो यू ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन अ क्राइम. It doesn't happen that.
एक मीडियाक इंटरव्यू दिल्ली त्याने आपण बीजेपीचे सपोर्टर लास्ट टाइम एक
कितले सपोर्टर आहात सगळे पार्टीचे सपोर्टर कोण ना कोण असतात. सो इट डजंट मीन टू से पार्टी डजंट सपोर्ट गुंडाइजम. नो, in which way where they have said, which party has said that they support Gundaism. Everyone may claim that I am your supporter, you are supporter, and especially what happens when they create something, that's the time they said I mean तुझे supporter.
तुमची केन्ना असोसिएशन आशिल्लें त्या तेन्ना
Sorry?
तुमची केन्ना आता तो अरेस्ट केला कोण मास्टर माइंड कितें म्हणटा पळय तेजे कडेन तुजी केन्ना असोसिएशन आशिल्लें अशें?
See, I represented a constituency once upon a time. First and foremost. I have got association with so many people, but I don't have any association with the crime. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.